It's Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway dock. Let's take a walk through the dock. First up here we have our double knockout roses. You can see here those split trims are working great. We have them coming in with some bud and bloom here. Fantastic selection of roses available. We have some 2-gallon roses. Going to show you some differences here. Here we have our 2-gallon double pink knockout. Again, loaded with buds, just starting to set colors. Here we're looking at hay-scented ferns, and we have these gorgeous ferns here. These are natives in the American Beauty program, and they are just beautiful here. Look at the size. Here we're looking at a fresh top. These are loose Rolo, and this is big on landscape market, you know, especially for commercial jobs. You can see here we have some beautiful 3-gallon loose Rolo. I was showing you 3s earlier, but these are the 2-gallon double knockouts. You can see drift roses. You know, again, the rose selection is phenomenal right now. The guy's got the split trims in. We have some color for you all summer long. Next up here, we're looking at Salvia East Friesland. Fresh new crop here, can full, starting to throw some flower up. Looking good. Looking at a new Nepeta. This one is Neptune. And then next to them, we're looking at Allium Millennium. We have some Coreopsis Greb and Iris Variegata. Those are a few of the Phlox Flame Pro. Here we have a fresh crop of the Canton and Becky. They haven't started to bloom yet. You can see the Dianthus are looking outstanding right now. Great selection of those as well. Sedums are looking really good. This one's Lime Zinger. You can see that great can full foliage on that. That one's a really nice one, especially if you're looking for a container or a hot spot. You know, sedums should do well, but this is a nice one, Lime Zinger. Lilies are going to start coming up and looking good right now. Here we're looking at Stella Diora. Give you another closer look at the Dianthus. This one is purple bicolor here. Again, loaded with buds. Here we have raspberry, beret, and fuchsia, and the new proven winner Echinacea. We have several varieties of Echinacea coming on as we go through the season. These are looking good. We have Thuja Woodward Eye, new crop here. Nice shape and size. Double play series of Spirea continue to look good. Here we're looking at double play doozy. You can see the buds coming out on those. And spin around here, you can see the nice consistent pull on these Buxus New Gen Freedom 3-gallons. Spirea in the background there, we have Gold Mound. They come up here, we have double play Big Bang. Again, a lot of nice looking Spirea. Again, more daylilies here. We have the sunny yellow color, a happy returns. And we're looking at Limelight. You can see they're just starting to bud up. And spin over here, again, a lot of nice perennials. We have some Bernera, Japanese painted, and we have some Heckenwood Gold. Those are actually 2-gallon Mop Cypress and Duravilla Cool Spot. Get a 5-gallon Tomatosa Mauricii. Then coming down here, look at these gray owl junipers and 3s. Nice landscape grade plants here. We're looking at our 3-gallon Blue Rug junipers. The time for Duravilla. Here we're looking at the Bloomin' Easy Night Glow. Nice contrast to that dark foliage and yellow flower. Then here's another colorful one. This one is Kodiak Orange. Look at that color, guys. Again, you can tell it's Duravilla season. This one is Kodiak Red. You know, and you can see that nice contrast in the foliage and the flower. Duravilla is an outstanding plant, very resilient. It gives you years of beautiful color, both in flower and foliage. Looking at the nice consistent crop. This is Salix Nishiki. You can see here they shaped them up nicely. They got that nice tip coming out with color. Good value. Salix Nishiki, 3-gallons. Let's get ready to go up to get loaded on the carts. This is Pinky Winky from Proven Winners. You can see the buds are just starting to come out on them. You know, the first one to come out is the Quickfire series. And then you'll start to see the other ones follow soon behind. But, you know, they're starting to get buds on the tips. We got a nice consistent pull here. The crop's looking great on the 3-gallon Mr. Bowling Ball. Look at that nice consistency. If you haven't, you should take advantage of these 3-gallon Nest Spruce. I mean, what a value on these guys. Here's another value. These are the 2-gallon Green Velvets. We also have Green Gem as well. You know, these are almost as big as most 3s. You can see here, nice consistent pull, big heavy 2s, Green Velvet. Gorgeous 3-gallon Randus Fine one. Look at that nice big, heavy, full plant. Good value. Ready to get loaded, but wow, look at the size on these 15-gallon Green Mountains. Here we have a nice fresh crop of microbiota Celtic Pride. Again, these are in the Deer Proof program. Gorgeous 3 gallons. Celtic Pride. Continually see these gorgeous boxwood. Here we're looking at some 5-gallon green velvets. Look at that nice consistency, guys. Beautiful, heavy, full 5-gallon green velvets. This cart so they move it on a truck, but give you a peek at the 7-gallon burning bush. Well, that's a value. Here we have some gorgeous little 3-gallon. These are Junior Giant. In these last week, this is Fragrant by Burnham Spice Girl, and you can see here the guy's done a great job growing them. They're nice, heavy, full plants, ready to go for your landscape. Some of the azaleas have been trimmed, but we still have some of these gorgeous 3-gallon Karen azaleas. Bring more plants in here. I wanted to grab a quick look at these 7-gallon. These are Green Mountains. We also have Cranberry Creek. Gorgeous 7-gallon pyramid. Here we have some gorgeous Silvery Sunproof variety and some Evergold carrots. Several carrot varieties. They're looking good. Up here we're looking at the Paint to Town series of dianthus, and I believe this one is magenta. Here we're looking at our lavender, several varieties of lavender, and that's the Stobie Visions in purple. Looking good. Looking at a fresh crop, these are Rudbeckia Goldstrom. You know, they haven't started to push flowers, but they're great landscape grade plants. Landscape size plants, we're looking at our 5-gallon Bloomerang Dark Purple. Look at these beauties. And I'll spin over here, we're looking at our 7-gallon Texas Hickson. What a great size on both of them. You look at the 7-gallon, these are Bloomerang Dark Purple trees. And again, nice, heavy, rounded, full heads. They're gonna, you know, they stop blooming a little bit with this heat, but you know, they'll start to set bud and bloom again later. And again, just look at the size of these. These are 20-gallon 10 Beautiful. All of these just came off the truck here. We're looking at our 15-gallon full speed of hedge. Exceptional value, guys. You know, here we're looking at our 7-gallon full speed of hedge, but we also have 15s. Next to them, we have some 15-gallon emerald greens. Well, we can see here that the container trees are still coming in strong. We see those gorgeous 20-gallon Tamiukayamas, the dissected maples, blood goods. Keep in mind, we got these beautiful container trees ready for your landscape. Great looking container plant. These are 25-gallon snow fountain cherries. Outside the dock, you can see our quick ship here. We have some really nice B&B plant material that was dug this spring. Still looking great for your landscape, so be sure to check out the quick ship. Here we have some 3-gallon limelights, and you know the paniculatas are going to start to come in. You know, typically that happens in that June, July time frame. You can see the buds are just starting to come out on the limelight. We consistently have a really nice crop of these 2- and 3-gallon mop cypress. These are the 3s here that we see here. Great color. It's that time in the season when people are looking for Buddleia, and this is Buddleia Pugster Periwinkle here. And we have several varieties of Buddleia ready to go. So look at that availability, and you can see here bud and bloom looking good. About euonymus last week with Thad's video, and here we're looking at Moonshadow euonymus. This is a great looking crop. Nice flush of growth, real big, heavy, 2 gallons, great color. Check out these gorgeous 2-gallon red drift roses, man. They are loaded with buds. Then next to them, the hollies. You know, these have been gone through as far as trimming and shaping up. We have several varieties of hollies. Here we're looking at Blue Princess. We have the Royal Family and Prince to go with them. And so be sure to check out the holly. As a quick trip through the dock today, you can see we got a lot of beautiful perennials, landscape size shrubs, container trees. Don't forget that quick ship too for the larger B&B. Be sure to get with the sales team. I hope we're loading the truck for you.